Hey everybody, it's Courtney from Your House Fitness, and today I'm going to take you through one of my favorite supersets of all time. We're going to start with push-ups into a downward dog position to get a little more shoulder activation, some sub-scat, bottom of the rotator cuff work, followed by my favorite back extension that involves this band. So before we do the actual workout, let's just go over the exercises briefly, okay? So downward dog push-up, pretty much exactly what it sounds like, okay? So obviously the textbook version I'm going to show you first, you're just going to come into that plank position, do your push-up, okay? But when you come out of the push-up, you push into downward dog, okay? So, oh, it feels so good. It's kind of a resting position, so if you're kind of tired, you can kind of hang out here for a second, and then you go back into your push-up, okay? So push-up into downward dog, all right? So from there, you're going to take your band, okay? The second part of this is a back extension that involves an overhead press. So this way I'm going to hit a little more through my posterior chain, okay? So from postural perspective, get a little more rear delt, lats, lower back, so my erectors, my butt. So I'm going to put it around my feet. I can either anchor my toes or I can lift. It depends how advanced you want this to be. And this is what this looks like. So I'm going to start with my arms over my head, face down. I'm going to lift, pull the band behind my head, and push and relax back to the floor. So one, okay, and back down. If it's too challenging for you, just keep your feet anchored. And if you find that the band is too difficult to work with, you can just get rid of it, okay, and just practice doing this, okay? But the band will offer just more shoulder, some resistance to activate the shoulders, okay? All right, friends. We're going to do this circuit 3 times through with not a lot of rest, so do the best you can, okay? A lot of the rest will come between the transition here, between the exercises, so do the best you can. Oh, and I forgot, one other quick modification. If you have a hard time doing push-ups, you are more than welcome to do the push-up from the knee, but you do have to roll onto the toes to be able to do a proper downward dog, okay? So you'll drop to the knee, okay? I'll probably be so tired when I get to the last set that I'll show you that, I'll demonstrate that for you, okay? All right, ready to go? 10 push-ups into a downward dog, followed by 10 back extensions with an overhead press, all right? We're gonna get started in 3, 2, and here we go. All right, let's get into position here we go. Push up, downward dog, okay? Push up, and downward dog. So I'm gonna count out 10 here, okay? Here's 3. Whoo, feels good. 4. All right. If you need any help on how to do a push-up, you'll have to watch the video before you do this workout, okay? Here we go. All right. Oh, there we go. I love this one. Now remember what I said, if you're getting tired, you can take an extra pause in your downward dog if need be, okay? All right, so there's 10. I'm gonna grab my band. I'm only gonna talk you through this first one here, okay? Get into position. And here we go. Arms out, face down. I'm gonna lift. 1, 2, 3. Make sure you squeeze your butt, okay? 5. Woo, my shoulders are already on fire. Make sure you're looking right at the floor, okay? Keep your neck very neutral. 9 and 10. Woo! All right, so get rid of that band, get it out of the way. We're right back to our push-ups here, okay? Feel free to go a little bit wider if you'd like to. Otherwise, get ready. Round 2 in 3, 2, and here we go. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It feels amazing. 7. 8, 9, One more. All right, we did our 10. We're in round 2 here. Let's grab that band. Whoo-wee. Get ready for more shoulder burn. It's a good feeling though. All right, face down, face down. Arms up, here we go. Lift, pull, push, and relax, okay? Here we go, lift, pull, push, relax. All right, we're halfway. This is 6 here, okay? 7, 8, 9, whoo, and 10. All right, your shoulders should be on fire by now. I certainly know mine are, okay? All right, guys, last set. Buy yourself some sneaky rest time here. Get yourself into position. Here we go, friends, in 3, round 3, 2, and 1. All right, here we go. Downward dog. Remember, you can take a little longer into the downward dog if you're really tired. So take your time with that, no problem. Just remember, you can't move on until you've done 10 reps, okay? 6, 7, 8, 9. Whoo! Here we go. 10. Oh, yes. Shoulders, abs, my chest. Oh my gosh. And now I'm going to get a little more through my back here, okay? It's a good circuit to balance your posterior and anterior chains out. All right, ready to rock? Here we go. Face down, I'm gonna lift, pull, push, and relax. Ready? 2. 3. Heading into number 4 here. 5. 6. Almost done. Come on, push, push. Last one. Let's go. Up, up, up. Push and relax. Woo! Oh my God. All right, so my shoulders are on fire, but in a good way. While I catch my breath here. So that's my favorite superset. Especially when you don't have a lot of space, you don't have a lot of time. You only need a band or nothing if that's what you've got. And again, oh, just so much more shoulder activation. I feel great. So give that a whirl. If you need instruction on how to do proper push-up, do watch the video before you do this workout, okay? So you don't hurt yourself. And until next time, I'm gonna go get some water, okay? Take care, guys.